Hey everyone, it's great to see you all again. Have you ever been on a trip and thought, man, I wish I had a better way to track all of the amazing places I've been? Or maybe you're planning your next adventure but aren't sure where to start. Well, in today's video, we are going to take a look at an app that makes the planning process of booking a trip so much easier and less stressful. This app promises to make travel and location tracking so much easier for photographers and hikers. And stick around to the end where I'll show you all of the features, my favorite aspects, and a few ways that I think that this app can improve. Plus, I'll show you how I've been using it to plan and book my photography adventures. I hope you all enjoy. Now, the app that we're going to be talking about today is a new app from K&F Concept called Beento. It's a travel tracker and location pinning app designed to help you mark, organize, and revisit your favorite places. Think of it like a personal map for your adventures, but with specific features designed and tailored towards photographers. When you open the app, you're greeted by a world map where you can drop pins, categorize locations, or even add photos or notes. And don't forget to input the code BTJalen for 100 Beento points. After registering with your phone or email, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter an invitation code. Input BTJalen, and it's as simple as that. Whether it's a hidden waterfall you've stumbled upon or your favorite cafe in the city, Beento makes it easy to keep everything in one place. But how does it really work in the field? Well, let's break it down feature by feature. First up, the bread and butter of this app, location tracking. With Beento, you can drop a pin anywhere on the map, name it, and even sign it a category, like photography, hiking, or food. For example, let's say I just found an incredible viewpoint on the Icefields Parkway. I can drop a pin, label it Sunset Spot, and even add a note reminding myself to visit during golden hour. This feature is so useful for photographers who rely on revisiting locations at the perfect time. Alongside this, one of my favorite features is being able to attach photos to your pins on the map. After shooting at a location, I can upload my favorite images directly to the pin. Not only does it make the map visually appealing, but it also serves as a mini portfolio for my travels. For instance, here's a shot I took at Ho'opi Falls in Kauai. By linking it to the pin, I have a quick visual reminder of the spot and its photographic potential. Now, if you're like me and many other photographers and find yourself in remote locations with no cell service, the offline maps feature is an absolute lifesaver. You can download maps for offline use, ensuring you always know where you are, even in the middle of nowhere. This came in clutch during my recent trip to Mount Rainier. I had pre-downloaded the map, so even without service, I could navigate up to a fire lookout even in the dark. Another great feature about this app is being able to share your pins with other people. Let's say you're planning a group trip or collaborating with another photographer. You can easily share your marked locations complete with notes and photos so everyone is on the same page. But what makes Beento stand out to me versus all of the other choices out there? First off, it's just really intuitive. The map interface is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate. I also love how customizable everything is. You're not locked into generic categories or notes. You can make this app truly your own. And as a photographer, having a visual representation of all my travels is incredibly inspiring. Seeing all my pins spread across the map motivates me to get out there and explore even more. All of that being said, there are a couple of things that I might change about this app to improve it in the future. First, while the photo integration is great, I do wish that there was a bit more advanced tagging options for organizing photos. For example, being able to tag photos by gear used or settings would be great and useful for photographers. Second, while the offline maps, whether you're planning your next trip, documenting your favorite spots, or just keeping track of where you've been, this app has a ton to offer. If you're serious about photography or just love exploring new places, I highly recommend giving it a try. And for those of you who have been using Beento, let me know down in the comments how you've been using it and what you think about it. But I hope you all learned something from this week's video. If you didn't already know, I started a Discord server for the entire community to come together, share photos, and give feedback. And then at the end of every month, I'll be selecting one of your photos as a monthly contest winner. Other than that, if you could subscribe to my newsletter for all sorts of updates, and then for vlog, blog, and other video updates, if you can like and follow my Facebook page. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.